Hi guys! Welcome sa vlog namin. So today, punta kami ni Joey sa Vietnam! Yeah! Dito sa Terminal B. Okay, so ang ganda, may bridge dito. Panalo. Mukhang social tayong mga Pinoy. Kaya nyo, so nakita nyo sa Newport. Tapos may tawid na dito. Ayan, yan yung tawid. Diretso sa Terminal 3. Yan. O, diba? Social. We arrived in Ho Chi Minh Airport at 12:30. Walang katao-tao. Kami lang. Let's see. Nagtok na ako pero gutom ba ako. Kain muna ako. To Ho Chi Minh Island. Ay, Thailand. Hindi pala Thailand. Vietnam. Yun. Alright guys, dito na kami sa airport. So mag-grab kami papunta sa place ng friend namin, si Joshua, sa si Joy. So pagpasok namin ng airport, kailangan mo agad bumili ng SIM kasi mukhang walang ano dito yung Globe eh. Normally pag pumunta kasi sa ibang bansa, may Globe na agad eh. O pwede kang may in-offer si Globe agad na parang yung data dun sa country niyo, like for example sa Hong Kong. Pero dito apparently pag lapag namin, walang offer si Globe. So mukhang kailangan mo talagang bumili ng SIM. So yon, dito na kami, nakabili na kami ng SIM, then pwede naman yung Grab app dito. So, we're waiting for the Grab. So, yun. Let's see. Oh, Joshua! Come on, bro! Welcome. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, oh.
May in-order akong food eh.
Yun! Sakto! Gutom na kami.
You know what's funny? We went all over to find the Dunkin' Donuts.
Ayan. Ayan, first meal. First meal sa Vietnam.
Bukas yun tayo.
May chef Joshua.
Saya naman.
Holler! Man natin to.
Victory Katip. Parang hindi na kayo sa Victory Katip na.
Shucks. Kahit ano, brother.
Day 2.
Good morning. So, first day dito sa Vietnam. Kami sa bahay ng friend namin. Ayan. Maya, labas kami. Breakfast muna. Nita, ayan si Josh.
Nagkataon na
Oo. Breakfast. Anong tawag ito? Banh mi to? Ito yung banh mi. Ito na. Tingnan natin yung ano, paano ba piniprepare yan. Yan o, tunay na tinapay. Ating banh mi.
So you put it here, and then veggies.
Okay. Yan.
Tapos lalagay lang to, Josh. Like this.
Yan. Tsaka yung puti.
And this puti.
Yun. Oh my God! Wow! Yan natin. Yan. Uy, ano yan?
Kamas?
Parang
Kamas o radish.
Radish.
Na pickled.
Oo, na-pickled.
Oh, wow. Oh, yan. Tapos sauce. Hindi, ano yan? Tissue. Okay, tikman mo. Try mo. Grabe. Panalo. Ibang-iba ang lasa niya, bro. Parang first time ko makatikim ng ganito. Gusto niya authentic na banh mi. Dito, sa bahay ni Joshua. Yun.
A few moments later.
Hi, so katatapos lang namin kila Josh. Magmi-meet ulit kami tomorrow. So yung first trip namin ni Joey, punta kami sa anong
War Remnant.
War Remnant. Okay, so let's prepare our hearts and pray. So may kita natin yung history. So punta natin. Say hi, kuya. Hi. Dito na kami. Unang destination, museum. Look at that. Si Joey. Wow. Time 49. Let's go! We're going inside. Bawal mag-recording. So, dito na lang muna tayo. First item na nabili ko. Ganda na. Alright, so tara, pasyalan muna kami. So far, ito isa pinakamalupit. Grabe, ang lala nito. Itong Lieutenant Kaylee na to, bad trip. Grabe yung murder. Sakit yung mga bata pa. Guys, sobrang bigat nung feeling. Naalala ko, nanood ako ng Pulang Araw, nagigil ako sa mga Hapon. Ngayon, nagigigil ako sa mga Amerikano. Grabe lang talaga yung history, guys. Ang lupit. So, para ma-appreciate mo yung situation mo ngayon. Yan. Pati-pati na sila. Tapos na kami dito. Alright. Gandang experience. So yun guys. Lapit dito. History ng Saigon. Vietnam War. So marami tayong tungkulan. Maraming mga tangke doon. Kasi nyo ng malaking bomba. Ayan o. Oh no! Pet. Yeah! Let's go!
Very good driver.
This is my friend. What's your name, my friend?
My name Tam.
Tam! T-I-M. Tam! O, diba? Pwede. Yeah! Okay. Nasa gitna kami ng highway.
Ginagawa mo?
Ang lupit. Keep us safe, Lord. Woohoo! Yeah. May ng iced coffee with coconut milk. And then, ano yung say tayo?
Yogurt with Rosella.
Ano? Kumusta? Masarap?
It's really good.
Okay, sarap. O, titikman na natin to. Okay? Oh, sarap! Sarap siya, tikman mo.
Kita mo.
Sarap guys, sarap. Yun naman yung nasa loob. No? Gumagalaw pa. Panalo.
Ay, sarap din.
Masarap. turo-turo na lang kami talaga. So tinuro na lang namin yung mga pagkain ng mga katabi namin. Yan, so ito yung in-order namin, turo-turo. So yan. Mukha naman masarap. Tingnan, try natin. Order namin. Tikman natin to. Ito yung mga masarap. Let's do this. Ate, pabili nito. Yan. Sumagot naman si ate. Tsaka kami kumain. Sarap. Winner. Bibili tayo ngayon. Sa Cafe Lunch. So bumili muna kami ng banh mi dito. So first time namin kumain ng banh mi egg saka banh mi chicken pala. Natikman ko na si Joey, try niya yung banh mi egg. Kasi papunta doon sa tunnel, medyo malayo pa, 1 hour pa. So we need to bring food. So papuntang gubat din yun eh. Dito na kami sa tunnels. Ayan, so pababa lang namin. As you can see, may aeroplano dun. So iikot tayo. Now we're here. Subukan natin pumasok sa loob ng tunnel. Tingnan natin, video natin. Armored Brigade Carrying Troops. Wow. Kami mga tama pa ng bala, oh. What? Ang lupit. Ang tama pa ng bala. Tingnan mo, tama ng bala, oh. Look at that. Bam! Ganito ba yung gusto ni tatay sa pickup niya? Tapos ito, Pinko. Wow. Para bumao ng ganan yung bala, no? Wow. Ito ba yan? O props lang?
Repainted.
Repainted, no? Wow. Stay. Welcome to Kochi Tunnels. Kochi. Yan o. Nalo dito. Field trip pa ng mga bata. Alright, yung ginamit sa Miss Saigon, no? Sukin natin. Uah! Yan. Literal na nakaupo dito talaga, oh. Oh, look at that. At least nakasakay na ako ng helicopter. Yeah.
Everyone here, those got up bombs used in the Vietnam War.
Wow.
Each bomb 250 kilograms, everyone. Yeah, they have the US use the Napalm bombs. You know, Napalm bomb drop and burn jungle, like a firework. They have another bomb that's shaped like pineapple. Everyone inside with the wind, it drop and it stretch out. Inside it is smaller
Grabe mga basyo.
Smaller, smaller lava.
Wow, shopping so.
So 1965, US Army here.
Gone. Ho Chi Minh.
Inside everyone there's the bamboo. It's the big bamboo and they come past it. It's 4 or 5 meter deep. And after that they use the plastic tube. They turn it. So the tunnel system connected and with the bunker. The bunker ở miền Nam mình để đấu tranh chống Mỹ. Everyone the 15,000 local guerrillas. Everyone and they were trained by the North Vietnamese. Everyone. North Vietnamese sent by Ho Chi Minh. 5,000 NVA along the border of Vietnam, Cambodia, and they also built a bunker underground hiding.
Thank you.
Vietnam and Philippines, same enemy.
Enemy. Alright, we need to bend. Go see type. Can do
Try
it.
again?
Yes.
No, just kidding. We have a lot of tunnels today, don't worry, a lot. So we just stay here.
It's kind of wet. Wow. Ooh. Ito yung tunnel. Oh, you go first. Slippery. Go. Record anything. You're really bent over. Wow. Lalakad talaga kami dito sa tunnel. To bend. Wow, look at that. Ito po kami sa...
Yeah, that's one where you can pop your head out, right?
Kaya pala, cover your head.
Too bad. Still good enough.
Ah. Hangin. Hangin. Kaya pala cover your head. Kasi you can't see anything. Yabi guys, 15 meters lang yon. Sobrang sikip. At least, malaki pa raw yun eh, no? Si Tat. Let's go. Kaya to.
Flash careful, everyone.
Kids, can we sing?
So, we don't know how many secret entrance, everyone, exits in the wall. We go there, everyone. We go there.
Wow. Ayan, wala na. Pwede na tayong...
Ano ginagawa mo?
Sorry. Ang damihan ko. Damihan ko yung loob. Pumasok na siya.
Cầm ở dưới rồi nó cầm ở trên, cầm ở dưới. Everyone need to hold. Không, đứng thẳng lên, stand up. Này em phải cầm. You need to hold under the lid. Đó, cầm thẳng lên rồi quẳng lên. Rồi bắt đầu thẳng cái tay lên, bước xuống. Everyone need to hands up and then close it. That's the way they in and out the tunnels. Okay, rồi let's go. Now, who's next? Everyone, follow her. If you don't want to go, just stay here. Or if you want to take a photo picture, get out photo picture. Alright. Đúng có đi không? Không đi không? Đứng nhìn đúng không? You can leave it back. One see.
Booby trap.
Right, this is the booby trap. That's the bamboo stick. And we call the booby trap.
Is that the original?
We call another name.
Is that the
tiger
original?
trap.
The original booby trap?
This one original, but now they make safe for tourists.
Oh, okay.
But in the world, this is the original.
Oh, wow.
And the latest entrance to the medical bunker, because any wounded soldiers, they could carry them in and out easy. Outside, camouflage. So the medical bunker one connected with a surgery bunker.
Military bunker.
So they kept the wounded soldiers underground just a few hours. Because this was the battlefield. After that, they carry the wounded soldiers by the hammer.
Alright. Here we go again.
Oh yeah.
So narrow.
Making a YouTube.
Wow.
Are you the YouTuber?
Kinda.
Wow.
I just collect videos.
Okay. Please introduce me again to
Sure.
when you come back Philippines, more Philippine tourists
Yeah.
looking for
Hi,
you.
Sir Yan.
Hello from Vietnam.
Oh, yeah.
It's the tour guide.
Yes. Oh, nice.
Excuse me here, my group. Everyone look up the
sorry.
ceiling. Everyone can
Sorry.
see many bats. Some bats living inside.
Sino yung flashlight ka? Flashlight. Oh, be careful, be careful.
Excuse me, everyone back here. The bat fly inside the tunnel here. Everyone back here. Đây mọi người con dơ nhé, con dơ nằm ở đó.
Wow. Making
Everyone, this is
bunker.
a real bat. No worry, they are Batman.
오, 태야 벨트 있어. 태야 진짜 벨트 있어. 벨. 왜? 박지 여기.
Wow.
여기.
Okay ventilation.
Excuse me, my group. You can take a look at the map here. This is Saigon District 1. Đây là quận 1 nha mọi người. Chúng ta đang ở khu vực đây đến địa đạo Củ Chi. This is we are now here 1. This is Saigon River. In the other side is Cambodia. So the Saigon River, 220 kilometers long from Cambodia, close to Vietnam. Saigon River, everyone here. To District 1 and MTC. Ocean from District 1 to the sea, 38 kilometers long. So Saigon River, 220K. We are now. Everyone, Củ Chi. This is Củ Chi District, everyone. It's a big areas, alright? And this is the border of Mekong Delta. From here we can go to Mekong Delta. Alright?
Lamit kami mga friends. Can you just say hi for our kids?
Hello. I'm from Vietnam.
This is Yen.
From Vietnam.
Yeah. This is Tina, Finley,
Ho Chi Minh.
Leah. Yeah. So we're here. Almost done with the tour.
We really can't bring them here. I don't want.
So we call the seesaw trap. And this one they call the fishing trap. It can look like a funnel. If you stuck the whole
Oh wow.
leg inside, you couldn't take it out of the leg. You need to carry it back to the hospital. give a doctor salt. And next one, the same function, everyone. They call it clipping armpit. Your armpit, your lung, your heart. Anh em mình giống Việt Nam Airlines vậy hả? Okay, the next one we call the window trap. Window, everyone to shape like a window, open and close.
Grabe naman chop to. Wow.
Dân tộc là một cái
Bé phỏng phỏng.
This is just a model of the same because it's in a word. This is the rolling trap. Này trong quay. This is the rolling trap, everyone. And this is they call the door trap. The door trap used in the village. Everyone, they swing when a GI kick the door, they swing down and hurt them. Alright, just stop them and have more times running. And everyone see the picture when they did the tunnel here. You see the way they did the tunnels. Đây là cái mình chưa chụp lại cái cách đào đi đào nữa.
Okay. After tunnel, order na. Kainan na uli. Okay. Say hi, sweetheart. Pagod ka? Pagod siya. Makakain muna kami. Let's go! Guys, so nandito kami sa anong pangalan ng tower na ito? Landmark 81. Landmark 81. Ito yung pinakamataas na building sa Vietnam. Okay. So, sa Vietnam. Okay, tingnan natin ah. Labas tayong konti. Nalulula na ako. Wow. Nice. Sunrise is here. Sikat to for the sunrise, sunset. Nice. Wow. Amazing. Mango Americano. Anong tawag dyan?
Isang hotel sa.
Anong tawag dyan?
Lavender last.
Yeah.
This jackfruit.
Milk.
Thank you, Joy and Joshua. Yeah.
Why does it have like
Ano to?
jackfruit milk?
Ay, langka.
Sulit siya eh. So may meal ka na rin.
Kasi parang dessert na yun.
Joke lang, hindi ko rin alam ate. First time ko to.
Yeah.
Kasi yan nga.
Wow, parang nasa aeroplano. Aga, nag-quiet time ni Joey. Then ngayon, namimit uli namin si Josh. Punta kami dito sa parang Green Hills nila. Saigon Square. Ayan, tingin tayo ng mga sapatos. Yeah. Coffee. Masyang Green Hills. Pwede nga yung Santa Fe. Let's go! Mahirap mag-isip ng gutom. So, kain muna kami dito. Katapat na mall. Try namin yung broken rice. Broken rice. Thank you, Josh, ha? Anong tawag sa'yo dito? Jay o Josh? Josh. Okay, we're gonna eat. Pa-order nito. One chalish. Ah, yes. Salamat, te. Fish to, bro?
Kanchua. Sinigang.
Uy, matamis-tamis na may ano. Pwede.
Bulak-bulak din din.
Bagong isda. Sarap. Tingnan natin. Ho Chi Minh. Yeah. Totoo. Kami itong bus. Hapon, hop in. Hapon, hop in. Yan. There's a second block. Sa taas. Dadag sa dulo. Ang hirap. Dito, dito. Ah, sa harapan. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Next destination namin, guys, yung parang Malacanang nila. Ayan, so pasukin natin sa loob. Let's go. Oh no! Sorry. The famous egg coffee. Tikman natin. Hi guys, katatapos na namin umili ng mga sapatos. Nakabili si Joey ng 327. Ako nakabili ako ng Air Force 1. So ngayon magmimerienda muna kami. Ayan. So, panalo. Ito ko ngayon mga patingin ako ng shoes. Kong shoes. Ayan, 327. Ay, hindi. Air Force 1. Si Joey, 327. Yeah! Ganda. Panalo. Spring roll na sikat sa kanila. Kainin natin. Yeah. Isaw-saw. Tingnan pa natin. Panalo. Panalo. Stop. Babalik kami dito. Panalo dito sa Vietnam. Guys, last stop namin bago umuwi. Ito ang Handan. Nato Tandian. Ito, kilala siya for being a pink church. Ayan. Ganda, no? So, pa-picture lang kami. Yeah, ganda. Let's appreciate the details. Yan, no? Oh, diba? Nato Tanding. Ginagawa mo. Oh, nice.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa airport. Pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas. Pero may adventure lang kami. Dahil sobrang baggage namin. Kailangan namin magbawas. So, ang ginawa ko, sinuot ko yung mga damit. Doble-doble yung damit ko. Para lang mabawasan. Pero ang bait nila kahit sobra ng 3 kilo, pinagbigyan na kami. Ayun, mainit lang.
Bola lang yan.
So yun, let's go. Kain muna kaming banh mi. Let's go. What an adventure. Alright, last banh mi in the airport.
Sana all.
Go. Diretso na kami Pilipinas ito. Pwede makatulog kami.